that? Huh? Alright, is that Maggie's toy? Maggie calls this her computer.
Triangle. Square.
Really concentrating.
Do you like that? Let's try that one again, Brady. Whoa.
Brady, how do you like your computer, buddy?
Oh.
Look at that face of concentration.
That's a bird.
It's almost nap time.
You gonna do? What's a monkey say? Is that the
That's
monkey?
what Brady push the buttons.
He can bang the button.
Okay, Brady.
Well,